Everybody, John at Amateur Modeling. So I did put the headlamps on this. Got the bottom all painted and chassis on. So today I'm going to work on the back end. Oh, look, my steering box fell out. I have to fix that again. Apparently, fix it better than I did before. Seems like it's always a struggle with something or other. And I am all jacked up on Mountain Dew. That's my inner voice there.
Because he's got a year left. He's like ahead of me, and he has like a year left until he's done, and he's like taking
I think
to do that. And I don't understand why he wouldn't do that.
I'm seeing this as being a little challenging.
He's like ahead of me, and he has like a year left until he's done, and he's like taking
I think
to do that. And I don't understand why he wouldn't do that.
I'm seeing this as being a little challenging.
It's a good match for a job does not feel safe being themselves and performing at their highest potential to give them
I feel like it's the sign of like
if their family could be
in charge more for us that you go places
due to laws in that city.
That wasn't too bad. I expected it to be a lot worse than that. But it went pretty well. Yeah, so there we go. Pretty pleased. Still have this to contend with. Thinking that when I put the starting box in, should have taken advantage of the lesser assembly and just taken the engine out to get this in. Alright, I'm going to fight to get this back in. I don't want you to have to just see me do this. I'll be back in a flash. Okay. We got it on. It wasn't pretty. But we made it. And it's still in one piece. Need to slow down sometimes so I don't miss certain things.
It's either high or off, like with all you get.
Proteins from Azure Mineral. 30 grams of protein, scientifically designed with carbs to help you manage your blood sugar and more protein to keep you moving and active. Lucerna, live every moment.
Okay, so about your situation.
Too much for those glasses. Next time, go America's Best. Or 2 pairs of them.
But I think it's actually.
What do you think? It looks pretty good.
Yeah. I was thinking of doing it like when we're driving away. Like the day that
We're rounding the bend, nearing completion. Yeah, pretty happy. What I'm going to do, yank these things out of there, put these on the bumper first, let that set up, and then I'll try putting that on. I don't know. Is it going to work or not? Okay, so I think that was the way to go. I'll let this set up. Okay, before I do any more assembling, like I said, I'm gonna let that bumper springs dry onto the bumper there a little longer. And I got bumper springs in the back. I haven't painted yet, so I'm gonna paint those. I'm gonna do some detailing on the panels or the stakes for the stake bed. And yeah, after that, call it a day, let the paint dry, let the glue dry, and we'll do more next time. So, let's get our orange paint, shall we? I've been practicing a lot with my airbrush. I think I'm coming along pretty well. I've been practicing an hour or two a day. So yeah, I'm hoping my next model I'll be able to at least be able to basically paint with it. I don't think I'll be ready for lines or anything like that. I've been practicing that a lot. The only thing I'm really having trouble with is, funny enough, is the dots. I don't know if it's the medium I'm using as a canvas. I have been using the food coloring on paper and on cardboard. The smaller dots seem to, I don't know if I'm doing it too much, it seems to run. I don't know if it's because it's the food coloring and water on cardboard and paper, so it doesn't have that regular adhesion that it would have if it were paint and plastic, say. So yeah, I'm trying, I'm feeling really good. Jason, we're in a race on Blue Ox that he's got to start using the airbrush instead of rattle cans. Hopefully we can spur and encourage each other on to start doing that and practicing. Okay. So yeah. All right. So let's detail all these little bolts. And my trusty toothpick here. And do a little bit more of a flat tip.
Some things gotta be cut back because it's no longer in the budget. There's not enough cash, money being generated.
I want to do anything glossy.
Charles, a student loan payment first. The average student loan payment, let's put it on the screen, is $299 a month. The average student loan debt to borrow is almost $30,000. And the average salary by people who are paying back these loans is $52,000. So that is going to put a real financial burden on these folks over the last couple of years. They've gotten a bit of a break.
Okay, do my little dab.
We should keep in mind though that at their age, in their late 20s and early 30s, they are
But then B also
Americans. So while they're making $60,000 at 29.
Yeah, got that all done.
Severe vision loss. And if you're taking a multivitamin alone, you're missing preservation.
And that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you to my old subscribers, new subscribers. And if you haven't, please click the like button, subscribe, and share. All these things really help my channel a lot. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day, and God bless.